Hey guys, welcome to another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the announce call feature on your iPhone on incoming call. So the announce call feature is a feature that the iPhone will tell you when someone is calling through your speaker or your headphones, and you can turn this off if you have it on. So let's show you how that's done. So in the latest version of the iOS, simply go into your setting of your iPhone, and once you go into your setting of your iPhone, you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the phone app setting. And under that, you'll notice here under announce call, there's a feature. And if you click on it, it might be selected to any of these top three options, which will announce the call. Now, if you have always on, it will announce through the speaker and the headphones. If you have headphones, it will announce it when it's connected to a headphone and the car. And if you have headphones only, it's going to announce it during your headphones. Now, in order to completely turn it off for any of this feature, you want to select the never feature. In that case, it will never announce a call. Generally, the default option is headphones only, so whenever you're listening or to music or on your headphones, it will announce the caller. But if you simply want to turn it off, you can just select the never one, so it never announces your incoming call. So that's how you turn off announce call on your iPhone on the latest iOS version. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.